Spoken English Part 1. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. غلط بولنے سے, غلط تلفظ سے یا غلط ایکسنٹ سے مت گھبرائیں, ڈریں نہ, کیونکہ آپ ابھی جسٹ بگنرز لیول پہ ہیں. And always remember, your goal at the beginner level is to deliver your message and not to speak perfect English. So, making mistakes is a part of this beginners level. یہاں سے گزر کے جانا ہے, غلطیاں کیے بنا کوئی چارہ نہیں ہے. You won't believe, but when I was at the master's level, میں یونیورسٹی میں, کیمپس میں, اپنی MA انگلش کی کلاس میں, there is a word لوری دینا, جس کی انگلش ہے لل, L-U-L-L, and I pronounced it lul. Can you believe how ashamed I was, but how we tackled it, right? There were almost 30 girls and 20 boys. So if I can make mistakes, why not you? If I made mistakes, that's because I'm standing here. If you cannot handle your mistakes, you cannot come to the other level. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Keep watching me.